Well, welcome back. Video 5 from Ezra is titled Get Your Dreams Back, and you can look at Ezra chapter 5 verse 2. Zerubbabel, who we mentioned in the previous video, God put in him a desire to rebuild that temple. It was destroyed 50 years earlier, and God allowed the king to be sympathetic to send them back to be able to do this. So he came back and laid the foundation. But severe opposition started, and they tried to stop him, and it was severe. And some people didn't want this temple to be finished. And, you know, when we want to build our dreams or even rebuild them, we will get resistance, we will get opposition. And even some of his own men that went back with him to build this said to him, we are not able to do this, the task is too great. It was very easy for them to suddenly say, this is going to be difficult. I mean, you would have thought this was going to be difficult long before you came back. And those people gave up. But anyway, he kept going, and you know, there was 10 years between when the work was first started and the king issued a decree, a different king, to stop the work because of wrong information he was provided, to this work restarting. So it's easy to say, well, the task is too hard because it's a big building to build. But a prophet named Zechariah comes and says, God sent me all this way to say to you, start again, begin again. So Zerubbabel's faith was stirred and he restarted again. Begin again is your message. Get your hopes up. Get your dreams back. God is saying the time is to start. It's time to start believing again, start praying again, start expecting again, start expecting good things again. We can always live with a bottom of the pile mentality, but what are we doing under the pile? We need to get on top of the pile. So start again, or go back to the original dream that you believe's been birthed in you and begin again. Get your hopes up, begin again.